Hello everyone. I will be presenting what I'll be going for my future career. So to start off, I was either going to pick architectural technology because of my art skills, or I was either going to pick electrical engineering because of how interesting it looks. In the end, I decided to go for electrical engineering because it always amazes me whenever I see robotics or any type of technology related. Ever since I was a kid, I've always been fascinated by technology, whether it was real or from a TV show. I would always think to myself, it would be really cool to have my own gadget or system, like for example, a jetpack. Humans aren't supposed to be able to fly, but electrical engineering makes it possible. Which is the reason why the thing that will be representing my path will be Iron Man's suit. Iron Man's suit represents my path because it shows what electrical engineering is all about. The suit works because of things like power systems, circuits, sensors, and the technology that lets it move and communicate. And electrical engineers can create real-life versions of this system. When I look at the suit, I see the kind of work I want to do in the future. I want to be able to build smart and useful technology that will be able to help people with anything. It's fun how these type of things can bring ideas to life. Because something that starts as an idea or a sketch can become a real gadget. Electrical engineering makes it possible to turn creative concepts into working machines, tools, and solutions that people can use in the real world. Electrical engineering lets you take a creative idea and turn it into something real that people can actually use. For example, something as simple as an idea for a small robot can become a real moving machine once you design the circuits, you add sensors, and you give it a power source. Just like how Iron Man's suit works. So, the person I chose to represent electrical engineering is Nikola Tesla. Tesla represents this path because he was one of the greatest inventors in electrical science. He helped create the AC power system we still use today, and he constantly thought about new ideas and ways to improve technology. What inspires me about Tesla is that he wasn't afraid to think differently or experiment. He showed how imagination, hard work, and knowledge of electricity can lead to inventions that can change the world. That's the kind of engineer I want to be. Someone who stays curious, solves problems, and creates technology that makes life better for others. Overall, I want to go to electrical engineering because I've always liked how robots work and how they can be built to do useful things. The idea of designing the parts that make robots move and sense their surroundings and respond makes it really fun. Electrical engineering gives me a way to learn those skills and create technology. That's why this career feels right to me. Here are my sources, and thank you.